Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start Hygienic Refresh program in Beko drying machine. To do this, first you will need to pick that program, and this one is located right here. Next is to adjust the settings, so the drying level is not available. We can enable or disable the lights inside the drying machine. We can activate or deactivate alert notification when the program is finished. Lower temperature is not available, program time not available, and the last one is the finish time, so you can set it, for example, to 6 hours, return after 6 hours, and right then your program should be finished. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.